You know that sound? Okay, bonjour à tous. Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Want to ask questions easily in French? Just add SQ and this is do or does in English. Okay? So, this is the continuation of our lesson na 1.1 po, le mots interrogatifs. Okay, so first we have the question avec SQ. Okay? Mga tanong kung ganun ba o hindi. Okay. Les questions avec est-ce que. Est-ce que, après votre question, ano yung tanong nyo? Okay? Next. So, est-ce que tu parles français? Nagsasalita ka ba ng Frances? Or do you speak French? Okay? So, you can also use est-ce que. Do you speak? Okay? So, use to ask questions. Got it? Okay, répétez s'il vous plaît. Est-ce que, après votre question, ok? Est-ce que tu parles français? Yes, merci. Next, we have the structure, meaning pas d'inversion. Ibig sabihin, walang baliktaran, no word order change. Example, est-ce que plus your subject or sujet plus the verbe or verbe en français, ok? Example, est-ce que tu parles anglais? Okay, intonation, tataas po yung boses, no? You need to go up. Est-ce que tu parles anglais? Okay. Parle meaning to speak, parler. Parler to speak. Do you speak English? Okay. Nagsasalita ka ba ng English? This is the verb OR, okay? Mga pandiwa po ito, mga verb na sasabihin ko po later. Okay? So with our next subject. So let's repeat. Est-ce que tu parles anglais? Okay. Can you repeat? Est-ce que tu parles anglais? Okay, merci beaucoup. Okay, so we have number 5. Est-ce que tu es fatigué? Are you tired? Okay. This is the verb et. Yung tu es. Tu es is verb et po ito. I will, you will see this verb et later. Okay. Verb to be. Okay. Est-ce que tu es fatigué? Okay. Next, we have, est-ce que tu as faim? This one is verb avoir. Okay? Est-ce que tu as faim? Are you hungry? Gutom ka ba? Okay? It's not verb et. Est-ce que tu es faim? No. Est-ce que tu as faim? This is verb avoir. We will see them later. Okay? With the verb avoir po. Okay. Repeat, please. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Est-ce que tu es fatigué? Are you tired? Or est-ce que tu as faim? Okay. Are you hungry? Okay, merci. Okay, question négative ou negative question, okay? So, est-ce que tu ne parles pas français? Ne pas is negative. Est-ce que tu ne pas, don't you speak French? Okay, that is negative. Then we have très courant. Très courant, ça veut dire karaniwang ginagamit or spoken French. Est-ce que tu viens? You can say it to your friends, okay, but not with your employer. Est-ce que tu viens? And then, are you coming? Viens means venir. Venir is to come, okay? That is a verb that we will conjugate later. Okay, and then when we have, oui, je parle français. Oui, je parle français. Et comment répondre? How will you answer? How to answer? In French, oui, oui, si, si, si. Oui or si, it's possible. In English, yes, I do. Of course, oo naman. Okay, got it? Est-ce que tu parles français? Au négatif, est-ce que tu ne parles pas français? Okay. Okay. Got it? Thank you po. Okay. When you answer, non, je ne parle pas français. It's a negative. It's a réponse négative. No, I don't. No, hindi. Okay? This is negative. So, we have an example. Okay, faites une question. Okay? Practice. Okay, number 11. Tu as faim. Gutom ka? You are hungry. How will you ask it in a question? Est-ce que tu as faim? Est-ce que tu as faim? Are you hungry? Gutom ka ba? Okay? So, that is, you can use it est-ce que. So, we have the mot interrogative plus le est-ce que. We can use that to ask questions with somebody. Okay? I hope you learned something from this lesson and I hope you will like it. And please subscribe and comment po. Et à demain! Au revoir!